We have the FAME program, which is Federation of Advanced Manufacturing Technicians. It's a national program for supplying the pipeline with more skilled trades workers, because most of the people that are in my age bracket and older are retiring out and there's no new people moving into it.
In a traditional apprenticeship program where it might take 4 years to complete your apprenticeship, we're able to take that same number of classroom hours and reduce the time frame down to 18 months.
The FAME program is set up where students work with an employer for 3 days a week and they come to the school for 2 days a week. At the end, instead of just graduating with an associate's degree and no experience, they graduate with at least 1,800 hours work experience on top of the associate's degree. The employers, they like the fact that they can get a skilled worker in a short period of time.
I work for Steel Dynamics, and FAME fit for us. We're all out there looking in the same candidate pool. We decided it was easier to grow our own talent than go out and find that talent.
So it gives these kids a chance to get their foot in the door in a manufacturing job.
So you can be anybody from a robotics technician to a standard maintenance technician. You can go into HVAC, any processes that require human hands, human maintenance, human eyes, understanding how things work, how they process.
We get into mechanical training, programmable controllers.
The equipment that we use here has the same PLCs that they're going to see in industry. The same valves that we've got on our trainers are the same valves that they're going to deal with at work.
You get to practically apply everything you're learning in the classroom immediately right after.
I deal with a lot of mechatronics applications and even some hydraulic applications. Everything I've learned here is translated directly to the real world. It's been awesome.
Manufacturing is the key to everything in America, in that everything starts somewhere in somebody's idea that turned into a big manufacturing opportunity.
For several years, people were go to university, go to university, go to university, and taking the skilled trades out of it. Somebody still has to make all the stuff that we use in the world, so now the skilled trades is kind of the in-demand field.
We're a fresh set of eyes, we're something new, we're continuing on the generation of the people getting out of this field, retiring.
I took a giant risk, I think everybody does jumping into college. They don't know if they're 100% certain on, if this is what they want to do. And so far, this is everything.
My family's really proud of me. They didn't really expect me to go to college, getting into the trades.
Definitely a lot of opportunity here, and where I'm going to end up is exactly where I want to be.
To see how far they've grown from when they come in the first semester to how they are in the last semester, it makes me proud.